Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been so long since I have posted, but today I am going to be trying this new place that's called Kokomo, and I got some boba tea and then corn dog.
What kind of corn dog?
All cheese corn dog.
What kind? From where?
From Kokomo.
A Korean corn dog.
Korean corn dog thing. And then a donut. So I think we should get into it. This is the kind. And then it's strawberry milk
With strawberry boba.
with strawberry boba.
Stab it.
It broke the straw. It broke the straw. That sounded gross.
Hold on, pull it out, the straw out, because it...
Dad! That's gonna be funny. It's all over.
Hold on,
We kind of have an accident. I spilled all over. Well, it was my dad's
Wipe it
idea.
Well, I didn't mean pull it out like with your finger on
Well,
top. You weirdo.
I didn't know. Wow.
Hey guys! Daddy Tayden here.
That's cringe. That's weird.
You're cringe.
No, I'm not. I'm cool.
You're cringe.
I'm cool. At least I have
Cool
friends.
cringe.
At least I have friends. I'm just joking. You have a lot of friends. Like me. I like it, but it's not strawberry milk. Try it.
Mm-mm.
He doesn't like fruit. I should have known. I like it.
It's not as good as Happy's.
I like it, but it's different. You want to try this with me?
Yeah,
Or which one do you want to try first?
the corn dog.
Okay. I don't know how to